What's happening over here? Theo, what's happening? That's Ba? What are you doing? Oopsie, hold on. Good recovery. Look at Ba. He's taking a rest with Pa. What time is it, Theo? 3 o'clock. Why is everybody sleeping? Huh? You gonna play with Paco with your gears? What do you think, Paco? He wants to play with you, Paco. Nope, these fellas don't want to play with us. Looks like we're together again, Theo. See you later, sleepies.